guys, good morning and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I'm going to be showing you how my morning routine looks like and what my morning is actually it is. So firstly I like to start my day by waking up around 8:30, which is not too late and not too early. So I wake up around this time, and by that I first drink water. So I usually like to drink lukewarm water in this weather, which is good for the body, and drinking one full bottle of water gives your body a good hydration and a good start for the day. So after this I usually like to fresh up, that is wash my face or brush my teeth. So I just like to wash my face and just get a little bit of freshness. After this, I take a bath and I have my breakfast. So it's usually very light breakfast. So today I'm having muesli also because I usually don't have very heavy breakfast, and I like to keep my breakfast light and healthy. So muesli is a very healthy one, and also it's very easy to make. So usually I don't like to check my phone in the morning. I like to keep it away from me. It's better to not just use your phone in the morning. It kind of ruin my schedule and everything, so that would be better. After this comes the most important part, that is planning. So I don't usually do anything without planning my day. It keeps me really scheduled and I know what I have to do throughout the day. So it generally is different because every day it's different. You can also use these colorful stickers or sticky notes to make it a little bit attractive. Try to make a separate book for your planning and what you have to do throughout the day. Don't mix up with other books, so you just have a separate book for your planning and everything, which is great. So new year, so you can start this new habit by planning everything, and this really helps you out. After this, I like to do my college work. So I usually attend my college lectures this time, or I complete my college assignments or college projects. So this is my dedicated time which I give. So if I complete my college work in the morning, the rest of the day I'm free. And you don't have to also worry about throughout the day about your college assignments or everything. And every day I actually first of all do this. So because all the colleges are shut, you can't really go. You have to study at home and I have to attend online lectures and complete my assignments and projects. After this, I like to do a little bit of reading because it's good to have some sort of positive thoughts in the morning and learn something new. So, I'm currently reading Ikigai, which is actually a really good book about Japanese lifestyle. So, there are a lot of good topics covered in this book. It usually refreshes my mind, and just a good book in this weather is a must. It's a really nice book, and you should actually give it a try. Mostly read book in the morning whenever I get time. So usually it's in the morning, but sometimes I also like to read it in the evening. And I usually read around 50 pages every single day, which is good right now. So yeah. So that's it, guys. That's my morning routine. I hope you like the video, and if you do, then don't forget to give it a like, share, and subscribe. And see you in my next video. Take care.